A wet bird. And she went over and dunked her head in her water and took a bath in her bowl. That's what she likes to do. Little Gracie, the little Quaker. Did you give yourself a nice bath? Huh? Did you get a nice bath? Are you a cute bird? Are you a good bird? You want to sit over here? Sit over here? Step up. There you go. Eat your food. Eat your food. Oh, boy. Lots of good stuff here this morning. Yeah. Hungry baby. Are you hungry? You hungry baby? Hello. Sunshine's decided to get in his bowl now after I spritzed him. Now he's going to get in his bowl. I wonder why that's blurry. Huh. Not working right.